Indian Premier League 2026 match number 50 Lucknow Super Giants vs Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Match played at Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekona Cricket Stadium, Lucknow. Due to rain, 19 overs match. Royal Challengers Bengaluru won the toss, elected to field first. Lucknow Super Giants 19 overs, 209 runs lost by 3 wickets. Mitchell Marsh is the highest scorer, 111 runs, 56 balls. Then Royal Challengers Bengaluru best bowling spell. Kunal Pandya 4 overs, no maiden, 31 runs, 1 wicket taken. Royal Challengers Bengaluru target 213 runs DLS method. Royal Challengers Bengaluru 19 overs 203 runs lost by 6 wickets. Rajat Patidar is the highest scorer, 61 runs, 31 balls. Then Lucknow Super Giants best bowling spell. Prince Yadav 4 overs no maiden, 33 runs, 3 wickets taken. Lucknow Super Giants won by 9 wickets in this match. Player of the match Mitchell Marsh. Congratulations Lucknow Super Giants.